Welcome back. We're continuing the news. We are putting the money where our mouths are. So says Labour and Social Security Minister Pernell Charles Jr. following the recent improvements to social welfare programs such as PATH. And as you'll hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, the Cabinet Minister promised more assistance is coming.
So it's not that PATH isn't doing well. It's not that PATH has not done well. It's that times have changed.
The needs of Jamaicans are also changing, especially the most vulnerable. It is why the government has started this process to create a better PATH program. The Labour and Social Security Minister explained the recent change to the program announced in the just concluded budget is just the start.
So there's an increase in PATH allocation, 28.8% this year, which means that we have more than $10 billion to allocate to our most important program. Your leadership acknowledges that we have to put the money where our mouth is. That is, it takes cash to care. We have more to come, and there's more to be done for you.
The minister was speaking in Portmore St. Catherine on Wednesday. It was the third of the minister's town hall meetings to consult with stakeholders on how to improve the 22-year-old program.
Through these town halls, we want you to be open and honest. We want you to tell us what you feel. Whether it sound good, whether it sound tough.
And he got some of those honest and tough views, including from a guidance counsellor who said many of his colleagues are overworked due to the demands of the program in schools.
We are the ones who push the PATH in the schools and ensure that things run for the students on the PATH program. Especially at my school, I probably don't know what happens at other schools because school varies. But at the Greater Portmore High School, we are the one who push the program. Hence, the fact is we are asking what provision is made to get any assistance into the schools for persons to come in to assist.
Additionally, he wants students who have lost a parent or both parents to be given preference for admission to PATH. Another educator also posed this question.
Is there any consideration given to accommodate them while in training here or any other heart institution?
Yes.
But they can, those persons have no restriction in terms of them going to their parish office and making an application.
Okay.
Whether they are on the heart program or not on the heart program, the parish office is theirs.
The authorities explained that Wednesday's consultation in St. Catherine was strategic, as that parish carries the largest group of PATH beneficiaries with 43,000 of the 285,000 people on the program. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.
The Jamaica Agriculture